Hey, it's Glenn. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol RKT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the setup we have here moving into Wednesday, as there are going to be so many eyeballs on the same exact level. So when I talk about this next level, by no means am I trying to imply that this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this level. And in fact, I already had it mapped out from the video I did last week. But it's all about this green line right down here at the $22.55 mark, 50-cent mark, whatever you want to call it, right around there. But going through the history of the chart, you can see that that was a level to keep an eye on that I mapped out in a previous video. And then you can see this morning gap down, look right where the price bounced from. Very nice. Literally right off that green line. And then the price rolled back over and look right where it got a little miniature bounce from once more right at that level. So everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching that level. And I emphasize that because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So it's going to be one of those areas where, and by no means is this a guarantee, but my point here is that it's at least a valid and rational thought to have that if the price goes sideways and then breaks down through that level, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So keep a close eye on that. But to be fair, because I mean, the last two times it got down around that level, it did bounce. So if it does bounce back upwards, let's talk about a couple of areas of resistance. And that first key area of resistance on any sort of bounce, going to be right up there at the $24 mark. And then after 24, next key level right up there at, let's see, what is that? Right around 25.25. But anyway, look at it. That 22.50-ish area, a lot of people will be watching, myself included. So let's see how it all plays out tomorrow on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.